welcome back to the channel. I have this Mark 1 Escort under a lamp now. A quick inspection of the engine bay. A lot of parts are missing. I wonder, is this the original engine from a 1981 to 83 Escort? I'm thinking with that electronic ignition, it's not. It might be a replacement engine. Ooh, that's gonna need some work. There's always something, isn't there? It's just ring and ring. Let's check this. Let's see if this is open. Okay. Smells like petrol. Smells really like petrol. That looks clean, doesn't it? There's no oil sitting there. That's probably a very good sign. It's not full with white stuff. Oh, it's not empty and it looks clear. It looks clear. Let's take a look in here. Could be hope for this car. Could be. Numbers look original. Yeah. Original riveting. Type plate looks original. Welding on the front looks okay. Of course, I have to strip all this down and have a good look at it. But the first problem we see is here. This is going to be the first thing we're going to have to address. So make sure you subscribe. That will help my little channel grow, and I hope you're having fun watching this. Catch you on the next one.